Standards for facade durability, energy efficiency and design flexibility are increasing continuously. The Fischer facade systems fulfill all of these expectations. Fischer facade systems, subframe systems and undercut anchors from one single source. The system provider for ventilated rain screen facades. The Fischer facade systems are the optimal modular system for all requirements and materials. This visually most appealing solution is achieved through concealed fixing using FZP2 undercut anchors and suspending clasps in horizontal profiles. The innovative assortment is the perfect choice for visible and concealed attachment of all common cladding materials for ventilated rain screen facades. Fischer facade systems utilize the effect of a rear ventilation to create an energy-efficient facade and provide optimal weather protection. With high quality, a long service life and a consistent recycling circuit, the matching shape of the undercut anchor creates an interlocking and stress-free fixing in the conical undercut drill hole. The fixing is not externally visible, creating a visually appealing facade surface. Setting the anchor using undercut technology allows the user to select the best structural position in the facade panel. This significantly reduces the bending moment of the panel. The consistent residual wall thickness as a reference in drilling holes allows panel thickness tolerances to be compensated. More freedom in aesthetics and materials for visible fixing using rivets and facade clamps, and for concealed fixing using undercut anchors and cassette solutions. With more than 50 subsidiaries, Fischer is your global project partner on every level. We support you in all areas of facade construction. Fischer facade systems, subframe systems and undercut anchors from one single source. The system provider for ventilated rain screen facades.